Wealth Builders, is I, your private money syndicator and private money savior, Nick Billions, here bringing you part 6 of the Asset Protection Drive-By series of FLP lawsuits. This video is brought to you by the Mills Funding Group LLC, an apartment acquisition and asset management company. Let's jump right into it, people. As always, disclaimer, I'm not a lawyer, CPA, securities professional. This is all personal experience and opinionated info and should be consulted and verified by your attorney or CPA before moving forward with any mentioned investment strategies. And this is all purely educational and not intended to present or market any securities opportunities. Now, FLP inside and outside lawsuits, what's the difference? Easy. Outside lawsuits occurs outside of the FLP or FLPs that is not that the asset or the lawsuit isn't involved in, and the inside lawsuit occurs inside of the FLP that is involved in. Now, for this, it is obvious to say that the actions of one FLP does not occur with other outside FLPs and other assets. So with knowing that, you want to ask yourself a few questions. How many FLPs do I need? What am I willing to risk? How much equity is in each property or investment? How many are there any properties with significant risks? Are there any D class, C class, or D class properties that may not be getting any capital improvements now? So I may need to put them by themselves completely, or just completely away from all the other properties. What's the cash flow risk? And which state shall file these FLPs in? In Wyoming, which the cheapest, and you also want to check Ohio, which they've come down in price as well. And also you want to consider Nevada corporations because they don't show public record of the investors, and many other public record documents that involves the corporation itself. So anybody just can't look you up. For liability purposes, with the limited partner in the FLP going after the LP personally, there's no liability to the LP. So all investors involved in the FLP that the lawsuit is involved in, they don't have any liability, but the general partner gets the total of the judgment, which in this case you want to use an empty entity as the general partner of an high asset FLP, because you can't sue what you don't have. Okay, and two assets always to leave out of your FLP. One is a checking account. You want to put that into a personal FLP or your living trust, and another one's your personal vehicle, which you want to put in a living trust, because easily that's just a liability waiting to happen the moment that you pull out the driveway. Okay, as always, this is asset protection, drive-by education at its best. Is your private money syndicator and private money savior, Nick Billions. And for more of what we do and offer, you want to go to our newly redesigned homepage at privatemoney.vinecompanies.com. You want to subscribe and like our videos at facebook.com/private money savior, and you want to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Mills Funding Group. And I look forward to educating you on part 7 of the Asset Protection series.